How to recall emails in Outlook online. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook on your device. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. Then, on the left side, click on Sent Items. After you click on Sent Items on the left side, click on the mail you want to recall. After you've clicked on the mail, on the right side, click on the three dot in the mail, click on Advanced Actions. Here you'll find Recall Emails option. Simply click on it and it will recall email for you. It's not available in my region, but you'll find the option after clicking on Advanced Action, which will be of a recent message. And this is how to recall emails in Outlook Online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.